So nobody reported this. I just happened to see it yesterday. This is a tub right here. That's not even hooked up, dude. So all of this tub water is just draining into here. And nobody said a thing. Oh my gosh, dude. That's not even hooked up. I barely touched it. That's about as bad as it gets right there, folks. So today we will use these. I've not tried these yet. I've always used the slip joint kind, but that's gonna make this one pretty easy though. I don't have to take anything out. Goodness gracious. This is, you don't see things this bad. I mean, this is embarrassing. That's not even tight. All right. We're also doing the one next door as well. Okay, these are pretty cool. So this is the Overflow. It has a sticky side on this side and on this side. And then I thought I was supposed to have a sticky thing right here. This is the waste. But this is real nice and heavy and just feels quality right here. And it has one of those click drains that just screws into that. And then that's the Overflow. You can see where it has the cutout right there for the actual overflow, if it ever wants to overflow. So, just warming this putty up. Okay. I guess that's how you do it as a one-man show. You just Alright, it's messy, but it ain't gonna leak. Not much we could do there. Here's our second one. We're having to chip this out a little bit. But, yeah, there you go, folks. Just gotta tighten these up. That's that.